Welcome to Tropical Boots Line Dancing. My name is Trent Duncan and I'm going to be going through the line dance, Don't Bring Me Down. This is a 48 count, 4-wall, intermediate level line dance choreographed by Formosa and Kerry. Sorry if I've pronounced your name incorrectly there. The song is Don't Bring Me Down by NCKZN and Paris Mitchell. It is a remix to the original version of Don't Bring Me Down. So let's get into this dance. Facing the front wall, which is your 12 o'clock wall. Waders will be on your left. Your first 8 counts, taking a walk forward, a ball cross or an English cross, into a step with the right, turning back to your 12 o'clock, into a left half pivot. What that's going to look like, you're going to step right, left. From here, you're going to do that ball cross or English cross. So what you're going to do is stepping onto the right, you're turning that quarter turn to your left shoulder, stepping that left foot across. Then you're going to be stepping back to face the front wall, stepping onto that right. Step that left foot forward and half pivot over your left shoulder. Stepping onto your left, you're going to continue a further quarter turn to your right, and then you're going to drag your right towards your left for that final count. Facing your 12 o'clock wall, let's just do those 8 counts, this time through with a count. We go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, your weight should be firmly on your left. You're going to complete 2 sailor steps, step behind, step to the side. As you step to the side, turning a quarter turn to your left shoulder, and then into a quarter paddle with your right. What that looks like with a sailor step, you're going to go right sailor, right behind side, and then left sailor, behind side recover. Then you're stepping that right foot behind the left, step the left foot into a quarter turn, end up facing your rear wall or 6 o'clock, step forward on that right and quarter paddle. You're now facing your 3 o'clock wall. Returning back to that position, doing that count for this one. So weight is on our left, we're going into those 2 sailor steps. It will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your next 8 counts from here. You're going to be stepping into a quarter turn. You're going to be ending up facing your 12 o'clock wall, so turning to your left. You're going to step the right to the side, and as you do, you're going to dip down, tap that left foot beside the right into a left kickball cross, step to the left side, tap, and then you're going to do a little hop side and side for the final part. What that all looks like is you're going to step in on that quarter turn, you're going to step onto that right foot to bring yourself to the front, and as you do, dip down. So you're going to go a dip, and then tap the left beside the right. You're going to go into a left kick ball cross, step the left to the side, tap the right beside it. Now you're going to do a little hop to the right side and left side, so you're going to go hop right, tap, hop left, tap. That part again with a count, so weight is on your left after doing that quarter paddle. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Your next part from here, you're going to do a series of hips in a sort of C motion, and then you're going to be doing 3 quarter turn shuffles. You'll end up facing your 3 o'clock wall after all of those quarter turn shuffles. So what it looks like with the hips, you're going to do a C. So you're going to try and make it into a C shape. So you're going to start high, move to the middle, and then move down low. And the hips are going to be right, left, right in sequence as a syncopated beat. So you're going to go right, left, right. Then you're going to shuffle to your left side, turning a quarter turn to your left. So shuffle left, right, left. Shuffling on your right, traveling to your right side. You're going to continue that turn to your left though. Shuffle back, right, left, right. Turning again onto that left turn. Shuffling left, right, left, forward, left, right, left. What that count looks like for that section there. Weight is on your left after your tap and tap. You're going to hips with the right and left. So you're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Your next section of 8 here, you're going to do a hop to the right side and tap that left toe behind, step the left to the side, and then do a syncopated weave, behind side cross. You're then going to hop to your left side, tap the right toe behind, and finish that off with a partial rolling vine to your right side. What that looks like, you're going to step the right to the right side, tap that left toe behind, step that left to the side. You're going to syncopated weave, you're going to step behind, side, cross. You're now going to hop that left foot to the side, so you're going to hop to the side, tap the right toe behind. You're going to start a full turn rolling vine, traveling to your right side, turning over your right shoulder, So you're going to go quarter, half, quarter. What that looks like with a count, you've now completed the shuffle, weight is on your left, you're going to hop to your right side, and 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Your last section of 8 from here, still facing your 3 o'clock wall, you're going to do a cross rock with your left going across, left side shuffle into a half turn box step. What that looks like, step that left foot across, rock, recover the weight back onto the right, shuffle the left to the left side, and then doing a half turn box step, you're going to step the right across, step back with that left turning a quarter turn, stepping into a further quarter turn with the right, you're now facing your 9 o'clock wall, step that left foot forward. You've now completed the dance and you're ready to start your new wall. That last final 8 counts, let's just do that with a count. Weight is on your right, rocking across with that left, which 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're now ready to start your dance again on your front wall. Let's walk through the complete 12 o'clock wall, your first wall, together, and then I will go over the 2 restarts and 1 tag restart, which are on walls 3, 6 and 8. So, facing the front, 12 o'clock wall, starting from the very beginning, walking completely through, 7, and you go right, left, ball cross, step, left half pivot, quarter, drag, sailor right, sailor left, go behind, quarter, quarter, paddle, dip, tap, kickball cross, side, tap, and hips, right, left, shuffle left, shuffle right, shuffle left, and tap, side, behind side cross, and tap, roll, 3, 4, cross, rock, side shuffle, box with a half turn step forward. It's the end of the dance there. So walls 3, 6 and 8 are our restarts. On wall 6 will be your tag restart. So wall 3 is actually facing on your 6 o'clock wall. You will dance up to that box shuffle. So you will end up doing the hip and hip, shuffle, 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 restart the dance to your rear wall. Sorry, to you'll restart the dance to your 3 o'clock wall, my apologies. You'll then continue around to your wall 6. We'll actually start facing your 9 o'clock wall. You will then get up to the same point in the dance again, which is your hip and hip, shuffle, 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 which is your 3/4 turn shuffles. You will then add your tag, which is 2 half pivots on your right foot. You'll then restart the dance facing your 6 o'clock or rear wall. You'll then continue to wall 8, which is again facing your 3 o'clock wall. Dance up to the same point again, hip and hip, 3 shuffles, and then restart facing your rear 6 o'clock wall once more. I hope you enjoy this dance and I look forward to seeing you on the dance floor with it.